Come down to Gosnells Railway Market for Easter Community Weekend. The markets are open today and we have a few pop-ups stalls at the front, including brushstroke designs. We have fairy floss and we have girl guides. Girl guides doing a sausage sizzle. I'm here selling my pots and stuff. Selling my pots and bits and pieces, showing the community what I do and doing a little bit of painting. We have Karen with a fairy floss. Some of my t-shirt designs, pots, paint pouring bottles, spot my paintings. Yep, still recording. One of my paintings, t-shirt design. Hopefully I'm going to finish this painting today, which I started at Bedford Markets last weekend. I've got knot course on that side, drag it on this side. Here's Karen, sorry, I was going to call you Kerry, my mistake. Yeah, that's it. Kerry has fairy floss down at the Gosnells market outside of the markets. And she's like, got all the goodies here. How cool is that? Say hi, Kerry.
Hi.
And all her goodies.